What's up, YouTube? I'm currently outside of our office right now. I just want to give a quick shout out to Shift Auto Detailing. I'll put their Instagram somewhere right here. They detailed my car today and it looks flawless. I've never seen it this clean before, ever since I bought it. Yeah, they just did a really great job. I also want to go over how my water pump failed recently. I'll probably make a title, something related to that in the thumbnail. But yeah, my water pump went out and I've only driven the car about 2,000 miles and had it for, I want to say, a month and a half. So it went out pretty quickly, but I'm assuming it's never been replaced before. The shop that I go to, Precision Dynamics, also put their Instagram somewhere over here. They said that my thermostat was from a 328i, which is kind of weird. I'm not sure if that's part of the issue, but the water pump itself was like completely unresponsive when they did tests on it. So I'll get to that in a second. But for now, enjoy this little montage of clips. Again, thanks to Shift Auto Detailing. They're based in Orange County, California, so if you're in the area, I highly recommend it. He really goes the extra mile on your car. Like, all the door jambs, all the interior pieces are cleaned, and it's super affordable. I don't know why more people don't go there, but yeah, I'm trying to spread the word for him because he does fantastic work. So now about my water pump. About a week and a half ago it broke. It broke on a Friday. I was driving to work. It was 8 a.m. and I was in the very left lane of the freeway, and there was like 4 lanes, and my car just suddenly went into limp mode. And with limp mode, I thought that it just reduced your power, and it didn't. I'm not sure. I thought it didn't like give you boost or something. Probably wrong about that. But my car completely shut off throttle response. So I had my foot to the floor, wasn't doing anything, which was pretty scary because I was going 80 and it was packed on the freeway. And I was signaling over, obviously decelerating pretty quickly. And no one would let me over, of course. That's just California drivers. So yeah, that was quite the experience. I thought I was going to get hit by a huge semi truck or something. But thankfully I made it to the side of the road and I called my local shop. At the time I didn't know what was happening, but I did see the coolant light pop up on my dash and it was like blinking red. And I was getting the BMW chimes. So I called my shop and turned out that's what it was. It was the water pump from the car, and the car gives you that coolant message because it's overheating. I'm sure you can look this up, what the coolant symbol looks like. If you ever get a yellow or red one, there's a good chance that your car is overheating and it has some sort of cooling issue. Most likely water pump based. Try to drive it. I let it cool down for about 30 minutes and then I towed the car because I couldn't drive more than a couple miles before it overheated again. And so I had AAA tow the car. Luckily it was free because I have a membership. At Precision I had them order the part for me, and it took a couple days and it was over a weekend, so it didn't happen right away, which makes sense because shops aren't usually open on the weekends. Finally, on it's either a Tuesday or Wednesday, keep in mind this happened on Friday, I got my car back. Everything was fixed, wasn't overheating or anything. And I spent about $840 to get it. That's including labor too, parts and labor. which is a pretty good price. I'm pretty sure if you went to a dealership it would be like $1,500 to $2,000 for this job, just because they overcharge on labor. So yeah, this job was expensive, and your car definitely has a couple of days of downtime, so I spent money on Uber as well, so it's more like probably $950. Luckily I had my girlfriend to drive me around for a couple of those days, so I didn't waste too much money on Uber. But yeah, it was kind of a nightmare. Hopefully this doesn't happen for another 20,000, maybe 40,000 miles or so, because I don't want to have to deal with this again. Alright, now I'm gonna head home. I'll give you some shots of me driving. Just got my package. Charger, my new computer, phone case, my new phone, sticky mounts for the back of my phone case so I can use it up here. Oh, shit. And lightning to headphone jack, because Apple decided not to put a headphone jack in any of the new phones. Sweet, I got music again. I got a new phone, I think last week or so, or last weekend. It's probably like 4 days ago. I haven't had music the whole time. It was a struggle for sure. One thing that really bugs me is when people park way too close to my car. I'm only hugging this line because he parks so far over, which is nice of him because these doors are stupid long. Like, that's only one notch open. There's like 3 more notches to go, and pretty much hits on the second one. Usually he's parked like right here, and I can barely get in my car. Alright, I just got home. That was another long day at the office. I'm gonna try to start filming stuff in the morning before work, because I start at like 9 every day. And then starting next week, 3 days a week, I have classes from 6 to 9 right after work. So my schedule is going to be hectic, but I'm trying to upload more videos because I like doing it, and it's really cool to see the feedback from you guys. Also, thanks for getting me over 1,000 views on my, I think, 2 videos ago. The one where I like announced that I got my car. Yeah, it was just really cool to see that it has like over 1,000 views, and I don't know, I didn't expect that, especially since I have like 80 subscribers right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna play with my new computer and get an early night, and I'll see you in the next video.